Physics is a problem-solving science. Of course you must understand conceptually what's going on, but until you put letters and numbers behind it and solve things and make predictions, you are not doing physics. So here are some hints for how to go through solving problems. 1. Read the problem carefully. Clearly understand what's being asked for. Draw a diagram. Pictures are fantastic in helping you understand the problem. Doesn't have to be pretty, doesn't have to look like what you're drawing, but it does have to represent the variables. List the givens. You can either do that by what I'm doing right now, underlining them in the problem statement, or writing them separately, whatever works for you. Identify what's being asked for. We call that the unknown. Choose a formula that you're going to use, or maybe several formulas, or maybe a couple formulas that you can combine to get a third. Rearrange the equations to isolate the unknown variable. That means do the algebra first. Solve algebraically for what you're looking for, and only at the very end put the numbers in. This way, if you make a mistake somewhere along the line, you can just correct the algebra. You won't have to go back in and use your calculator. Finally, at the very end, put the values in and solve for your equation. Most physics teachers, if you get to that step and you've done everything right except for number 6 here, you'll get 9/10 of the credit. You showed that you could do the physics, you understood what was going on, you just made a math error at the end. And of course, check your work. And one great way of doing this is making sure the units come out to be what you want them to be. If you're solving for velocity, and at the end, after keeping careful track of the units, you get an answer of 5 meters, something went wrong. The answer should have been in meters per second.